Hey guys, what's going on? Wanted to get this video out to you guys. What a crazy day in the market we had. Ups, downs, whiplash, Tesla, Netflix earnings are dumping and panic selling the indices right now. So tomorrow should be very interesting. I am really curious to see what tomorrow brings now that we have taken a some higher time frame liquidity on NQ and ES. So I just want to get into the charts quick here. So ES, obviously nothing really much to look at on the weekly still. Obviously, this is where I'd be looking for a weekly for a bullish target. Not saying we're going there, but that's just my areas that I have marked out. And then this would be your sell side on the weekly. In the daily, obviously with the sell-off going on right now, you see if we draw the daily, we are tapping into it now, so we'll have to see how that holds going into the overnight session. So this is going to be like my condition, and for tomorrow, I want to see if you're bullish, you want to see this 45.67 hold, a close below. We're most likely going to contest this daily order block down at 45, we'll call it 36 level, maybe 45.37. So that's where I'll be looking, and possibly these 45.28 lows. And remember, we have some AM lows from last week sitting at that 45.25 level, which are also some equal lows on the smaller time frame. I think either 5 or 15 minutes. So that's where I'd be looking if this gets violated tonight. But for now, I mean, obviously order flow is still bullish until we start, violating these higher time frame fair value gaps. So let's get rid of this so it doesn't confuse us later. Looking at YM, so obviously remember I don't pay much. I mean I pay attention to YM, but I don't talk about it in the videos too much. But you see YM took these highs today. And then we kind of like retraced back below, or I guess we're still above them right now. But obviously we took the highs. We got a nice wick here, and then with the whole Tesla Netflix thing going on right now. So this is just something to keep an eye on. Remember, YM can pull ES and NQ down right with it because they all work together. So just something I want to show you guys. Remember yesterday I said it was obvious like this with this candle here how close we were. Like we were gonna go take this level, especially being going 30 points away on a 35,000 point index. So just wanted to show you guys that. So NQ today had some very, very, I mean, most people seen, a lot of you guys took it, so you guys, uh, you guys seen, like, there was a lot of fair value gaps, a lot of inversions that worked out beautiful this morning. So this morning, we took, I seen, where was it? So this morning, first thing I seen when I woke up, I seen we held this hourly. We did not violate this hourly, which I said was the hourly to watch going into the night. Because if we held it, we'd probably come back up and take these highs, which we did. And there was one more thing that I seen this morning, and it was this. So I seen us hold this hourly order block right here. I seen us wick down. It obviously didn't hit the CE, but I mean we got we got a nice bounce from it, which kept me bullish to probably at least these 1630 highs. So I was already bullish from this, so I went down to my smaller time frames, and if we can find it here, nope, that was this afternoon, and then so seeing that order block hold told me we were probably going to at least 1630. So we found this 3-minute inversion after we took this low and these equal lows right here, and we went long at 15,992, and we were looking for 16,008, and we were looking for a run for our runners to go to 16,030. Well, at this high, we obviously went to break even, and we trimmed. We trimmed some more at 16,008, and then you guys can see eventually in the morning run up, we got that 1630, and then and then that's when we got our dump. So it told us that our draw, if I can fix my charts here. So going back to the hourly, you can see like the draw was obviously higher because that order block right here held because the price wanted to go up and take these highs. So 1630 was a great spot to take our profit because obviously that's when we got our rejection back. So that was our first trade today. Our second trade today didn't work out. Well, okay, it's kind of tough to say because it did work out, but it didn't because we took a long. We just didn't take it in the right spot. So we took a long right when we took the Asia low or the Asia low. So okay, so you guys see today these were the overnight lows at 15,945. We took the overnight lows today, which were the Asia lows, Sydney lows. We got a pump back up, but if you go to the smaller time frame on that pump, there was a spot we went long somewhere in here. It might have been on the smaller time frame. I can't really remember, but it was probably in here somewhere. You'll see like we took the lows and then we got a little bullish. It was probably in here on a 3 minute, and then we came back and we got stopped. But then you'll see, and our target on that trade was 1590 because so for 1590 our target was up here, which would be right at the top of this fair value, which is also a 15 minute, and you'll see what happened. Like we eventually got it. Our entry was just wrong, so we got stopped, and then we got a nice displacement up. We got this 5 minute inverse, which is absolutely textbook. We got a nice retrace back into it for a long position, and then we hit 15,990. So it's nice to see that like the structure works. We just had our entry wrong. So I mean, it happens. It's a part of trading, and now we learn from it. So looking into overnight, like I said, I'm watching I'm watching the daily that daily FVG or NQ is sitting in this hourly. Bulls want to see this hold, and then this is a 4 hour and an hourly and a daily for ES, NQ as well. So if these break, we're obviously going to come down and take these 15,735 levels, and then ES is probably going to test this same order block here, that 45.75 level. So with that, that's what I'm looking to overnight. So if this holds, I would want to see like these 15 minutes broken and to go higher, to take probably this high, 46.05, 46.09. You see, we're already getting a nice reaction from this hourly, so we'll have to see how it goes into the overnight. But yeah, like always, guys, pay attention to your higher time frame fair value gaps. They're going to tell you exactly where price wants to go, whether they're holding or getting sliced through, and that's going to tell you where your next draw is to that next high or a low. So with that, hope you guys had a great day. You stayed disciplined. You were green. If you weren't green, hope you know why you weren't green. But with that, I will see you guys tomorrow.